Hi there, everyone, and welcome to my special Friday night edition of School for the Fool. I want a reading because the energy has been crazy. So I want a Friday night reading. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for joining me here. See what the energies we have to play with right now. All right. The Fool, hello. New beginnings ahead. Fools rush in. Magic. Magic. Five of Swords. Ouch. It's dangerous. I still see fighting with oneself. This is really about fighting with yourself. And like the ruby on her necklace just screams healing. And who are we hurting when we fight like that? Wrath hurts our liver. Ace of Cups, hello. Very beautiful. Love it in the Tarot d'Anu. That's really learning how to love yourself and accept yourself. You're beautiful. You are beautiful. And you don't have to be perfect to be beautiful. That's an illusion. Your authentic self is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's accepting yourself and being your authentic self. It's so gorgeous. Angel Delanu. Hello. Blossoming in the darkness. The angel. The angel of darkness. Wow. Wow. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. My son was helping me put away my books. What a little sweetheart. There it is. He's such a little sweetheart. I love him to pieces. We're reading the Knight of Pentacles. There's a message in that. I already know. Truth is my flag. Rigorous methods are my tools to succeed. I know what I must do, and I do it no matter what. Is this your case too? I do hope so. When a task is to be accomplished, then accomplished it must be, and in the most perfect way possible, even if it requires hard work and total commitment. I expect you to be reliable, trustworthy, perseverant, and meticulous. Do not complain that the mission is too exhausting. I don't want to hear a word of this kind. You've chosen me, so now my message to you is stick to your goal with truth and honor, and you will reach it victoriously. No fancy ever, everything must be carefully planned. Now let's ride with our banner floating proudly in the air. Seeking truth and harmony, sense of responsibility, determination, and some sort of quest for perfectionism, which is really authentic self. Bam. right. Let's clarify the Fool. Let's go a little deeper into these energies. Let's clarify the Okay. Clarifying the Fool, we have the Nine of Acorns, power and perseverance. Four of Acorns, comfort and community. And the Seven of Feathers, preparation and resourcefulness. You decipher what that means to you. I know that speaks a lot right there of the energy you need to use when you're in the gear of the Fool, right? So, Five of Swords. We have justice, truth, and clarity, number 11. That's what I told you, seeing through the illusion. Do not fight with yourself. Do not fight with the people you love. Okay, Ace of Cups. Please clarify the Ace of Cups. Eight of Shells, quest and renewal. This starfish knows everything about self-preservation. It will do what it needs to do to take care of itself. And that's what I was speaking of in the Ace of Cups. Self-care, accepting your authentic self, realizing we've been sold an illusion. We did not come here to look like that and be like that and walk out of a magazine. We came here to rock our authentic selves. One second, you guys, my son. And I'm gonna have to cut this. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. I did not want to have to cut anything, but my son is not feeling well. And he is top priority. It's much better now, though. Everything's all good. Okay. Clarify the Angel de la Nuit. Two of Crystals, balance and adaptability. That's what you're going to do to blossom in the dark. You're going to balance and adapt. All right, energy at the bottom of the deck. Four of Crystals, control and security. And after reading the meaning of the Knight of Pentacles, this energy would make sense. Get an oracle. Lotus flower unfoldment. Unfoldment. The lotus flower sits upon one of its leaves, having risen to the surface as the sun, held in the hand of God, invites it upward to the light. This unique plant is rooted in the mud and muck at the bottom of a body of water, its stem reaching up to the surface where the leaves rest quietly. At night the flower closes and sinks below the surface, only to rise with the daylight and once again gradually unfold its petals its stem extending above the waterline 3 feet or more. What we learn from this amazing plant is how our own spiritual path unfolds and opens to the light. Then at times gently folds in on itself for a proper rest when the daylight fades. This period is just as necessary as the growth, for it allows the plant to integrate what it has gained in nourishment during the day. It's also just as important that it is rooted, and it is yet another miracle of nature, yet that something so exquisitely beautiful is formed from the mud and silt at the water's bottom. Your spiritual unfoldment is occurring at all times, whether or not you are aware of it. It is inevitable as long as you put your trust in the hands of the Creator, the one who holds the light. Like the lotus, your soul is always reaching for the light to fulfill its karmic destiny. But even in that process, there are periods of darkness and times to rest. It is a natural cycle and one that cannot truly be coerced or halted. It has an innate rhythm of its own, and one that is unique to the being that is you. You do not need to strive or be driven by spiritual ambition. It does no good to try to force growth upon yourself or others, for that matter. Allowing is the key here. Allow the place in you that naturally wants to follow the light to do so, while recognizing that even when you have complete faith, you will face challenges and occasionally suffering. Your steady faith and love will guide you on your journey of returning to the light. Your steady faith and love will help you. And that is how you're going to blossom in the darkness. And it's gorgeous. And we need to remember, we do need to rest. We do need to have self-care. The cycle of winter is here, and that's a dormant cycle of one of retreating inward and just doing the work. Take care of yourselves, guys. Heal right now. Now, who doesn't really like to get in action? We can apply to the spread. We're going to get in action. What's an action we can apply? Other than don't forget to be resting, as we just talked about. Balance. Knight of Wands. And I'm going to tell you right now. The Knight of Wands, we're going to get a message with the Knight of Wands from the Good Tarot. There it is. Okay. 9 of Water. That's the message with the Knight of Wands, everyone. Act first, think later. Driven by fiery ambition, the Knight of Wands is ready to take on the world and proclaim his spot among the best. Passionate about his path, he is fully committed to making his dreams come true. Bursting with enthusiasm, he is easily carried away by the allure of fame and glory, and will rush into circumstances that will put him in first place. Balance out your impulses with rational thinking and think about the road ahead. Don't wait for things to come to you. Take every opportunity that you can get. Forging forward with speed can free you from second-guessing your actions. Although you may not know what is next, the Knight of Wands encourages you to swiftly move forward. Be up for the adventure and see what's next. It's kind of the opposite of the Knight of Pentacles, but that would be balancing, right? We don't always want to have too much yin or too much yang. That's how we stay in the flow of creation, and they dance. Okay, 9 of water. 9 of water. Let's wrap this up, everyone. Let's wrap up this special Friday night School for the Fool reading, and I appreciate you guys joining me here. And if you're watching it this weekend, hey, the energies are still in play. And when sometimes the message is meant for you, it's meant for you. You know, it resonates. You feel it. 9 of water. Dreams come true, wishes fulfilled, completion, enjoyment, contentment, achievement of desire. It is right to say no to what isn't right for me, and now is my time to experience wishes fulfilled. The sweet harvest that came about from seeds I planted. I drink in the aroma of successful endeavor. Take pride in my hard work and achievement, and savor the satisfaction of a job well done. I deserve, so pause and acknowledge all I co-created, and I do it joyfully. Blossoming in the darkness, and it's gorgeous, and we always need to celebrate how hard we work on our spiritual paths, and also acknowledge where we're at is teaching us something, and then also to be kind to others and compassionate and know where they're at is teaching them something. They're experiencing something from that. And I really appreciate you guys, you know, coming here and spending your time here with me. I know how precious and a gift it is. This was a beautiful reading tonight. I'm so excited to wrap up these cycles and get in the new energies of the new cycle of 2019. I can hardly wait to see what the flippin' full moon reading has to say. I'm excited. Guys, take care and have a great Friday night. Thank you for joining me. It was a pleasure. If you would like to book your personal reading, my information will be down below. Be safe. Good night, everyone. All right, so I went to go and tape the end like I always do for you guys because I love to show off the cards. And look at what I found down here. And look, like, this is a message. This is a clear message, everyone. 9 of Cups. There's no accident that this is laying here. This is a message. I'm going to let you guys see this in the book right now. I've always had the most ferocious ambition, and it worked well for me. Luck has been on my side. That's why 4-leaf clovers are my most favorite finery. Look at me. I am beautiful, rich, loved. I have everything one could wish for. Pure satisfaction defines my life. Feel blessed to see me appear before you, for I bring luck on all possible levels. I announce success, fulfillment, and happiness. Sounds great, isn't it? But until they manifest themselves into your life, I want you to enjoy what you already have. Know that contentment will be yours and that worries are in the past. Guys, what an incredible message. Remember balance. Thankful for what you have, but continue to work because wish fulfillment is on its way from your heart chakra. I love you all. Thank you. What an incredible night. What an incredible message. I knew when I felt the call to do this reading, it was going to be special, and this is special. Thank you. I love you guys.